Okay, Daniel Rowe here from TradeThePlan.com. It's July 18th, almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Crude has rolled over, so I've had to delete all of my market geometry and everything from the charts before rolling over. So I have to fill that back in, but we're turning up nicely out of this area still. So it's gapping up today. ES is gapping up today. I remember that being a little bit tighter on this chart, but whatever. On the continuous contract, the non-back adjusted contract, it's pretty perfect. So I'm kind of torn between what to do with the ES. I think I'm going to close the one contract in the ES since we've made it up to this target and turn down a little bit. I mean, you have to anticipate with every exit, you're going to not be content with it. Every single exit is going to leave you discontented. So it's just something you have to learn to deal with. It's never going to be perfect. You're just about always going to miss a larger trade. Maybe, I don't know, maybe like less than 10% of the time you'll get a perfect exit. Well, maybe that's too high. You can get much more precise using market geometry than with anything else that I found. It is better, at least this way, but still, you'll always be a little bit upset by your exits. So yeah, it's up to that first major area, and it has hit it right where the two intersect up here and rejected. It's likely to keep going higher. I mean, that's what I'm expecting, but it could be that it's about to be turning down for a deep retracement before it takes off. I'm expecting it to go up and out of this area, but I wanted to get above 3,900 at least. And what was my initial stop on the trade? I guess I deleted that risk reward meter. Well, I know about what it was. First exit was 38.55. Yeah, that's about right. So I'm already over 10 to 1. I think I'm going to close it. That's pretty awesome. So I'm going to close for the ES, not for the micro. So I'm still long one the micro. And yeah, I'm just going to close that right now. It's moving up a little bit. I'm going to see if I can't get a fill right at 3,900. Change this back to the micro. Oh, I don't have my logic manager set. I've been messing around with these stock workspaces. Not looking for any shorts. I was thinking that might show up as a long, but it's not quite. I'm trying to figure out why. Not quite enough volume signals on the small charts. Well, these will be much more refined once we add all that logic to the logic manager. I'll be able to add in all the conditions that I can't really add in right now in Bloodhound. But anyway, these are just nice to haves. It's not absolutely necessary. It's just one step closer to automation. I doubt we'll ever be fully automated. Well, no, there's no way, actually. Not with the way all of this comes together, which is one more reason why it will continue to work. It's really about becoming a good analyst, first of all, and then working to develop the skill to, execute without mistake. And that's difficult to achieve, but it is achievable. And it's more quickly achievable once you start measuring your results and finding ways to improve your execution, obviously. I don't know why, but this is not loading the MES for some reason. Oh, I've got way too many days look back. Yeah. Well. All right, so I'll hold that one. Let's see what we've looked on that other trade. 12,000, lost 2,000 in crude. I've still got one, which is up. Yeah, very little. It's a micro contract, but it's only a tenth Of course, I'll regret this, but it's rejecting from those couple of areas. So all in all, it's a good trade. And I'll learn to be happy with it. So it's gapping up to 38.95. And in here, not a huge gap, but right at the area on the RTH chart as well. It's the same area as the other charts. Happens to line up. Yeah, I should be satisfied with that. All right, that's it for now.